Hey Cadillac owners, welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel, your trusted partner for automotive solutions. Ever wondered why your Cadillac transmission might be acting up? Let's break it down. First up, transmission slipping. You might notice unexpected gear shifts, your engine revving without acceleration or delayed acceleration. This can be due to low transmission fluid levels, worn-out clutch plates, or faulty transmission bands. Next, transmission fluid leaks. Look for red or brown fluid spots under your vehicle, low fluid levels, or a burning smell. These leaks can be caused by worn seals or gaskets, a damaged transmission pan, or loose fluid lines. Then, there's delayed or harsh shifting. If you experience delays when shifting gears, hard gear changes, or unusual noises, it might be low or dirty transmission fluid, faulty solenoids, or issues with the transmission control module. Watch out for transmission overheating too. Symptoms include a high temperature gauge, burning smells, or transmission slipping. Causes: low fluid levels, a blocked transmission cooler, or heavy towing. Torque converter issues are another biggie. Shuddering during acceleration, overheating transmissions, and poor fuel economy could point to a damaged torque converter, faulty needle bearings, or contaminated transmission fluid. Hearing strange noises? Whining, humming, or clunking noises might mean worn bearings or gears, low transmission fluid, or internal damage. Lastly, gear slippage. If your vehicle unexpectedly changes gears or you see RPM spikes without a speed increase, it could be due to worn gears or clutches, low fluid levels, or faulty shift solenoids. Understanding these issues can help you maintain your Cadillac transmission better. Regular inspections and being aware of these problems can keep your ride smooth and efficient. For more tips and expert advice, hit that like and subscribe button on All Auto Parts Group and visit elucidautoparts.world. Keep your Cadillac running at its best. Thanks for watching.